500-gram chicken legs, 150-gram water, 35-gram marinade mix. Pour all of them into the container one by one. Put on the sealing ring. And then put on the high pressure cover. Connect the exhaust pipe. Press the button in the middle. Press the button on the right to turn on the air pump. Wait for 40 seconds. Press the button on the left to turn off the air pump. Turn off the exhaust hose. Remove the exhaust pipe. Press the button on the left to turn on the blender. Set the timing at 40 minutes. The mixer keep rolling on and back. When time's up, the mixer come to a stop. Turn on the exhaust hose at first. Open the high pressure cover. Remove the sealing ring. Roll down the mixer. Pour off the chicken legs marinated well. The seasoning and the water have been absorbed in well.